What up, guys? We're eventually checking in, and then we'll talk about 5 lessons for young entrepreneurs, guys. And young meaning you're just getting started. If you less than 3 years into entrepreneurship or into your career field, that's what we mean by young. All right, guys, don't take offense to it. Don't get all sensitive.
All right, starting with number 1, we have money management. And this is crucial for any business, but especially for young entrepreneurs. Money is honestly what's going to make your business run, what's going to make your business flow and become successful. And you want money coming in, but you have to allocate your funds appropriately. Hire an accountant or a bookkeeper. Make sure you're not just out there spending your money carelessly, not knowing where it goes. We're going to talk more along the lines of money management with the other steps and other things we have in this particular episode, but make sure that you are allocating your money appropriately and not spending your money unwisely.
Number 2, guys, learn to invest. Learn to invest. As far as reinvesting into your business, guys. Just because you make a little bit of profit, that doesn't mean you automatically become a millionaire and get throw money in the air, guys. Reinvest into your business, get employees, hell, even hire a business coach to help you along the way, a mentor of some sort, or invest in seminars, guys. So you must reinvest/invest into yourself and your business.
Number 3, we have communication. Guys, communication is one of the biggest, if not probably more important than the money coming in, because communication is your advertising, your marketing, your email campaigns, anything that has to do with entrepreneurship comes with the aspect of being a good communicator. And being a good communicator means you're clearly stating thoughts and ideas, making sure your customers understand your goals and your missions, understanding that they understand a particular service or product or whatever you're doing. Communicating elegantly and putting things articulately are huge in the realm of entrepreneurship, and this should be one of your main focus starting out.
At number 4, guys, we have thinking for yourself, guys. And this one is super important, guys, because you're going to be getting advice from everywhere. Everyone's going to be an expert overnight on your business that they don't have the qualifications for, guys. This is insane, I know, but do not waver. Stand firm on your beliefs, guys. Everyone's going to say you should do this, maybe you should do that, maybe you should do this, do that. Stand firm on your beliefs, stand firm on your vision, and think for yourself, guys. You must, even if it's your mom, dad, uncle. If that person is not qualified to be giving you advice within the industry that you're in, please just politely say, thank you, I hear it, whatever. But just move on, stand firm, think for yourself.
Number 5, we have failure is a good thing. Now, you may think that failure is the end of the world. It may be a tough, hard thing to swallow when you fail, but failure lets you know that something didn't work, that now you have to go back to the drawing board and maybe regroup, reiterate your ideas and things in a fashion to where you can succeed and you can accomplish the specific goals that you have for your business. Failure doesn't mean that you have to quit or you have to stop right now. It just gives you a different outlook and a different perspective. Now, doing the same thing wrong twice, 3, 4 times, that is a problem. But failing once is not a problem. Every great entrepreneur, even the both of us, have failed in different ventures in our lives, and we are guilty of failing and then feeling sorry for ourselves and things like that. But you have to get back on the horse. You have to go back to the drawing board, because that is when you come up with some of your best ideas. That's when you push yourself and propel yourself to succeed in your business and things like that. So don't look at failure as a horrible thing. No, failure is a thing that's gonna help you succeed.
Guys, at the end of the day, failure is an opportunity for you to learn, guys. Failure is an opportunity for you to learn what to do and what not to do, guys. Just go out there and be courageous. All right, guys, at number 6, this one is very, very important with everything going on in social media right now. Lock in and focus on one industry, guys. I know there's a lot of serial entrepreneurs out there, right? That should be spelling with a C instead of an S, because they really are clowns out here, guys. Do not fall for that. Stick to one industry, guys, and give it all you got. So if you're gonna go do real estate, do real estate. If you're gonna sell insurance, sell insurance. You're gonna sell cars, whatever it may be, home service business, sports performance industry, nursing, medical field, whatever it is, just stick to that thing. Give it 1 to 5 years of all you got, guys. But one day you're a chef, the next day you're a car salesman, on the third day you're a YouTuber, the next day you're this. You're not a serial entrepreneur, you're just an indecisive individual, guys. All right, let's just keep it real for ourselves, guys. So, with all that being said, hope you learned from this. Let us know if you like it. Live adventurously, young entrepreneurs.